Cordless Stick Vacuum Cleaner. Prevent up to 99.99% of dust, pollen, and dust mites from getting back into the air once they are sucked into the canister, which can swiftly remove fur, hair, and dust from your house, kitchen, or dorm. 270-degree swivel sideways rolling brush head makes you clean the house in all directions and make it easy for movement in corners and hard-to-reach areas, such as sofa or bed. OKP 100 small-size multi-use cordless upright vacuums cleaner is equipped with a 1.2-liter capacity dust cup large enough to collect every speck of dust, like clean stairs, and remove dust from curtains. S100 cordless vacuums cleaner portable adopt latest 220-watt digital brushless motor generates a high-speed airflow to provide up to 21 kPa crazy suction cordless lightweight vacuum to thoroughly pick up pet hair, dirt, debris, and clean peacefully with less disturbance to family and pets. Faster rotation speed, stronger power, lower noise, and more durable than traditional brush motor. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Vacuum Electric Turbo Floor Brush. The built-in electric motor to provide efficient vacuuming. LED light illuminates every dark corner and helps to track dust. Stiff nylon bristles and soft bristles perform well on vacuum cleaner carpet and hard floor in terms of dust. Number 2. Adjustable tube. The retractable wand of vacuum cleaners for the home could be adjusted to different heights for your need. Stick vacuum for hardwood floors allowed you to clean the hard-to-reach area effortlessly. Combined with a 20-feet power tube, you could clean the whole drawing room or bedroom. Number 3. Double HEPA Filtration System. This compact carpet cleaner adopts HEPA filter and cylinder filtration, and dustbin are easy to detach and washable. Clean them regularly to make sure your small vacuums are cleaner efficient. Number 4. S100 Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. OKP S100 equipped with 4 LED cordless vacuum electric turbo floor brush 270 degrees swivels sideways rolling brush head makes you clean the house in all direction and make it easy for movement. One of the most innovative 90 degrees independently self-standing home vacuum cleaners on the market with a one-click foot release. With a 2-in-1 motorized brush head with LED lights. The 180 degrees rotatable design makes it simple to clean every corner of your house. Our newest attachment brush is a V-shaped design, making this portable carpet cleaner so flexible that even the toughest corners can be easily reached for clean. Number 5. One click for trash out. The design of one-click trash removal of carpet cleaner machine for home saves time and effort to make housework easier. You don't have to spend too much on trivial details with the 1.2-liter large dustbin to the pet vacuum cleaners for pet hair. You can clean up more areas for one time by vacuum cleaner pet hair carpet and wood floor, so there's no need to touch the dirt. Number 6. One-button simple design. Lightweight vacuum cleaner with one-button switch design. On and off, low to high gears. The design is simple and the operation is easy. Just for you. Number 7. Wall-mounted storage. OKP floor vacuums and carpets come with magnetic wall-mounted, make it easier for storage. You don't need to worry about the device taking up extra space. Keep your home tidy and organized. Charging stops automatically when the battery is fully charged with hardwood floor vacuum cordless. Number 8. We offer 24/7 care support. You are always welcome to call our offices during working business hours. Monday, Friday 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Or message customer service 24/7. Number 9. Powerful suction and long-lasting battery. The vacuum cleaner is cordless, but it still can with 21 kPa powerful suction to meet every clean demand. The stick vacuum cleaner provides a 15 to 30 minutes running time that can ensure clean all around the house. Number 10. Lightweight main machine and detachable 2200 mAh battery. The main machine of the vacuum cleaner is lightweight, therefore you can be equipped with different attachments in different situations. The battery is detachable, so you have a two-way to charge cleaner, charge the battery directly or charge the stick vacuum. If you have one more battery, you can often use cleaner through charging the battery and don't need to wait 5-hour full charge. Number 11. High-efficiency Cyclone Plus HEPA vacuum filtration system. Cordless Stick vacuum creates a high-speed rotating airflow to remove particulates from air. Washable and recyclable HEPA removes up to 99.99% of microscopic dust particles as small as 0.1 microns. Number 12. Convenient cordless using and widely applicable 2 modes. The wireless stick vacuum makes you away from the hassle of cord but still provides up to 21000 Kpa Powerful Suction 2 adjustable modes 11 Kpa and 21 Kpa. Number 13. Extension wand and magnetic wall mount. You can use the stick vacuum cleaner easily and save more space with the magnetic wall mount. Extension wand can help you clean easily in different situations, such as stairs, upholstery, sofa and Venetian blinds. Number 14. LED headlight in 1. 2-liter visible capacity dustbin cup. Rechargeable vacuum cleaner with LED headlight will help you clean dust and debris which have been missed under furniture much easier. 1. 2-liter dust box capacity can avoid frequent garbage disposal. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.